Y'all ready to go out 2D? Let's do this. Start out by taking chocolate cookies and put them in your food processor, making cookie crumbs. Add your butter, and it should come out like wet sand. We're going to take that and put it on the bottom of a pan that I prepared with some parchment paper, and we're going to spread it out and then press it down with a flat bottom dish. Bake at 350 for about 10 minutes. Set out and cool. Now with the burner off, add all of your dry ingredients into a pan. We're going to whisk that around and get them all mixed up. Try to get as much of the lumps and bumps out as possible. Grab the remaining pudding ingredients and get them well within reach because you're going to need them fast. Add a little bit of milk. We're just going to get the dry ingredients wet, make it almost like a cake batter, just like that. Now at this point you don't want anything interrupting you, so go ahead and add the rest of the milk because you're going to have to stay with this now. Turn it on to medium and stir, and don't stop. Stir constantly. We're going to stir until it starts to thicken and bubble just like this. Cook 1 more minute and then remove from heat and add your butter and your vanilla. Keep on stirring. Once it's melted, then we can move it over into a waiting dish. Put some cling wrap on top and press it down on top of the pudding. That keeps it from getting that skin. Next, we're going to get our mixer out and we're going to put our softened cream cheese, and I'm sifting the confectioner's sugar because it tends to get lumpy and bumpy. Turn on your mixer and cream the confectioner's sugar into the cream cheese. Once that's done, take it off, add the Cool Whip or the whipped cream, and gently fold into the cream cheese. Now that that crust is cool, we're going to put the cream cheese mixture on top of it and spread it around. It will kind of pick some of that crust up. Just be really careful. Try not to get it mixed in. After that, we're going to top that with the cherry compote that we made earlier and spread it around evenly all across the top of that cream cheese. I'm using an offset spatula. If you don't have that, a spoon or silicone spatula will work. Oh my God, that cherry compote looks so good. Okay, now we're putting that pudding we made, which is cooled off enough to do this. We're going to put it all over the top and then spread it out again nice and evenly. Now that pudding, you can actually take it and make a, pudding in a bowl. I've also used it for my chocolate pie. All right, last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take some more of that Cool Whip or whipped cream and we're just gonna spread it across the top. Nice and even. You want to try to make it as flat and even as possible. Once you've got that done, top it with a little bit of aluminum foil to protect it, and then put it in your refrigerator. Now it needs about anywhere from 6 to 12 hours to set. And there you have it. Cynful out 2D. Here's your recipe. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. And y'all have a beautiful evening.